Hello, beautiful people. Welcome aboard Third Wave. Here's little Jack. I'm Cpt.Spider. Last week we pulled out the engine. The engine was working fine, but the original engine that came with the boat, I've rebuilt. I've put all new internals in. I've had it rebored, new shells, new valves. So it's like a brand new engine inside. So we're going to get it installed now. So let's crack on. Let's get it fitted. Right then, good people. Look at this here. Here's the old engine we took out. This is running fine. There's nothing up with this engine, but the original engine that was in the boat, it was partially sunken. But here, look what I've done now. Here we go. Rebuilt it. Reboard, new valves, new seals, everything is brand new in this engine. So hopefully she's going to get us around the planet. Not once, twice. We're doing it. These are the engine mounts that have come off the other engine. These were brand new 12 months ago, these. So I'm going to recycle them, put them on this other engine that's going in. But look here, type 75 there. These go to the back. And then the other type, I think the writings come off them. These are from parts for engines. And these are a type 100, so the type 100 goes to the front. Type 75 goes to the back. I'm going to take these mounting brackets off. I just unbolted it from the engine. Because it were just easier to get them off. And then I'm going to strip these down now. Then we'll bolt them back onto the engine. They got rusty because the exhaust were leaking. The exhaust were leaking on the way up. And it sprayed water all over the engine. That's why everything got rusty in there. This bottom bit's loose. It's a tough one I want to get off. Oh, that's tight. That is tight. Right. Oh, good grief. Oh, that is tight. Hey, my favourite tool. I just don't want to melt this. I'll set anything on fire. Don't want to get it too hot and it starts melting the rubber. Oh, look at that now. There you go, it's amazing what a bit of heat can do. Amazing, bit of heat. Right, I brought the engine down last night. This lad off here, this boat, give me a hand out with the engine. Jeff, they call him. I have two elder brothers, one called Nick, one called Jeff. There's Jeff. And this lad gives me a hand on this boat, and he's called Nick. So I shouldn't really be forgetting their names. Right, here's where I started. Here's where I started the engine last night. So I'm going to take this off. The alternator's coming off to go in And I might even take the gearbox off. This might come off, just to give me a bit more space. I don't know yet. I'm going to pull the boat out and get it round to the side now and get these engine mounts on. Oh. Aren't we blessed? Aren't we blessed here? Oh. Right, hopefully no damage done. They're bulletproof, these engines are. So it just landed on here and on there. And there. If it had been on concrete, different, but it's a bit gravel, so. Right, let me work this out, how to get it round there now. Right, let's see how this goes then. So, put this through here, and drag it to here. Oh, do I just drag it round? What do you think? Right, let's see how this works on it. Let's hope this is the only disaster we have. Well, the only way is up, baby. The only way is up. Right, I think we're about somewhere near, maybe a bit closer. Right then, let's get it onto the chain. Watch your fingers. Don't want to cut his fingers. No blood and tears. Alright, we'll get the strap through there, and then onto the chain, hopefully. Right. We're doing all right, yeah. Right, I'm fully up now, aren't I? If you could just pull it this way a little bit for me. And then I can... There. So this is round 2 now. I put an engine in down at Fareham. Now we're at Anglesey. This is the rebuilt engine that I dropped earlier. I've got wasps attacking me here. Get away. I'm trying to twist the engine round this way now, so I've slackened off the chain, but I can't slacken it off too much because it'll drop. I've only got 3 of these legs, these engine mounts on it as well. So let's see if we can twist it now. Oh, I'm caught around this engine kill there, that's off now. So look, I think we're nearly in now. I'm just going to put this back leg on now. I don't know if you can see, this back engine mount's going on now. Alright, this is going on now. So I'm slacking this off a little bit more here. Only a little bit though, not a lot. Right, let's see if we can get her in now. I think we're nearly there. I think we are nearly there. I think we're nearly there now. I think Captain Spider has worked his magic. Yet again. Oh, look at this. Look at this. We're in. I've done it. It's in. Oh, just got to line it up now. Oh, hallelujah. Oh, what a job. Happiness. Relief. Oh. So there you go. There is one happy Captain Spider. A bit dangerous, so when I drop the engine over, so I think it's going to be all right. So thanks for making it this far. And what'd even make me even more happier is a little like, and when we being a new channel, if you could subscribe and let's help this channel grow. Right, thanks for watching, beautiful people, and ciao, adieu. Till next time, love you guys.